Okay, the next part of the footwork progression are the actual breaking points we teach here. First of all, we're going to start with weave. Weave is used on routes where we ask you to change direction without losing speed. For example, a post corner, a dig, those type of routes, a slant. What we teach there is the punch is one of the most important parts of the weave as far as change of direction. The punch is the actual plant foot hit on the ground. The second part we'll talk about and discuss, and you can see Malcolm do it, is here's the actual kick out. What we're trying to do in the weave is eliminate the rounded cuts. So for example, if I'm a receiver and I want to run a post, I'm coming over this way, this would be my plant leg or punch, this would be my kick leg. I want to kick in the direction of the route where I want to end up. For example, if I don't kick, I'll plant here and I'll start rolling it over, and it takes me 4 or 5 steps to get to where I would be if I do a good punch and kick to get in the direction I'm going. Once again, this technique or breaking point is used on a post corner, a dig or square in, or a slant. And what it is, it's a change of direction without losing speed. So there's 2 drills we use. First is the tight weave. All we're going to do is ask Malcolm to get here in a stance, and we're going to go from this hash to the far hash. So what we're going to do is ask him to just run, basically straddle the yard line. And he's going to learn to, every 3rd step, slam his foot. And all that does is I want to give him a little head and shoulder, and the whole goal of the weave, breaking point, or plant drive, and speed turn is we want to get the defensive back out of his comfort zone so he can't plant and drive on the football. Okay, the first part we're going to do is the tight weave. All we're going to do is have Malcolm push 3 steps. He's going to push with his inside foot, having a good stance that he had before that we taught. And every 3rd step we're going to plant and give a good head and shoulder all the way coming to the far hash. He'll come back doing the same thing, then we'll repeat it doing a loose weave. The loose weave is more characteristic of an actual post or post corner where we're actually coming off the line and getting the defensive back to move. This we're just teaching the punch. All right, here we go. Set, move. Just every 3rd step, slam the foot. Okay, he's going to turn around, come right back. Notice the head and shoulder, and I want to hear him make noise. When that foot hits the ground, that's part. We want to have the defensive back as he's backpedaling. When Malcolm slams that foot in the turf, we want the defensive back to have to rotate his hips or change direction, expecting a guy to make a move. So that's what we have coming back here. All right, set, go. Every 3rd step, bam, bam, bam. Okay, from here, we're going to go with the loose weave.